Good morning, traders. It is 9:34 a.m. and markets have been rising. Bank Nifty has done a little rally, but I have gone ahead now and I have shorted 42,900 call option at 111 two lots. Here is the order, and 111 is the shorting, and now I'm going to leave this till death. My stop loss is 151, which is a 2000 rupee loss, and I'll be waiting to watch if it makes higher highs or lower lows, and then I'll start shifting and secure my capital plus some profit. But my view is that since the call rating is not yet priced into the Bank Nifty, I'm just checking it right now on a different screen. Yes, 42,900 call rating has come in very heavily now, so most likely this will and can go to zero. So if that does, it's 5,500 profit for me only on this particular trade. So let's see how that works out. It is 9:34, 9:35 now, and we have the rest of the day. Traders, the 42,900 call option that I shorted, you can have an idea of today's volatility. Just look at this. This is a 1 minute chart. I shorted it somewhere around here. In 1 minute it came here, 1 minute it came here, and the next minute it shot up. So we are going to be in for a very tough ride today. My stop loss is in place. I have weighed in all the factors of how to play today. So let's see. I'm not really confident that it will be a sideways market. There is going to be volatility. Shakti Kantadas ji is going to be giving a speech at 10:50 a.m. So I think before that there's going to be a lot of ups and downs. So we'll have to be very careful. Traders, time is 10:43 and I have reached almost 50% decay on 42,900 call option selling. So 2,500 is the profit over here at the moment, and it looks good for now, but I am not going to shift my stop loss to cost because see, the announcement is yet to come, and now that green is starting to cross a red, okay, it will probably come back to VWAP at this level 92 and then again fall. So I'm not going to shift it right now. I'm just going to observe and see what happens. Right, traders, time is 11 o'clock. Mr. Shakti Kantadas has started his speech and I'm watching it live. What I've done as a precaution is the 42,900 call option, which has decayed more than 50% now. I have shifted the stop loss to cost, a little below cost. Though green has crossed red and this is a sure bearish move now, so for it to come, probably will come back till here at the most 99. I've put my stop loss at 109. So this is the highest I feel it will go. If it comes up this much, I'm going to again sell another deep in the money call and wait to average it up if in case it still rallies, because there is going to be some profit booking coming in. And for now, as you've seen the April futures, it has gone down. Even Bank Nifty is just moving sideways, so they're just waiting for a direction right now. So it could be up, it could be down, I'm not too sure. But if we look at this over here, RSI has been floating down and now it's broken out from it, so probably another hit at the bottom and then a fly up. So I'm just taking my precautions. I'm being very careful on this. I don't want to square it off over here and then we'll see what happens. What if this keeps going down? So let's see. The risk is zero over here, and now it is 11:02. I'll get back to listening to him. Traders, is 11:49. My call option that I shorted 42,900 at 111 is at 60 now. It is just spending its time over there. So I've shifted my stop loss to 109. If this comes and hits, then I will look for other opportunities because I don't see a rally happening in Bank Nifty today. So it's just moving like this. So yeah, either if it goes up, it could break out, or if it could just break down. I'm looking at a breakdown because there will be some profit booking after rallies for the past 4 to 5 days. So, and it's the month end expiry, so people will be booking profit. Let's see about that. We can be speculative, but market will always do its thing. So for now, what I've done is since my indicators support Maruti having a rise over here, I bought it at 8512 and I have placed stop loss limit at 8480 over here. My target would be at least 20 points. So here I am going to put 8512 to 8532 over here. Above this, anything is good for me. My second target would be 8550. Traders time is 11:59, and as I had rightly seen Maruti moving up because of the green line above all the lines, and it is floats like this, it shoots up. Look at this, one candle and I am very close to my first target. I've actually kept a sell order at 5550, sorry. So we are already halfway through, and uh, another floating candle like this, and we should be able to reach our target. Once this crosses 32.33 and closes above it, I'm going to shift my stop loss to cost, and I will hold for the target of 85.50. Traders hangama mach gaya. What happened was it came to a low of 45, 43, 42, even 40 I think it touched. And this is 42,900 call option which I had shorted early morning at 111. What happens, see, in just three candles I had a very good feeling that this will shoot back up and knock the writers off. Exactly what happened. So what I did, I went ahead and shorted 42,800 call option again in the money at 192 over here. Now what I've done is I've also shorted 43,000 call option. Bank Nifty right now is floating at 42,950. So if this stop loss hits over here at 222, that is just 30 points, I will roll this over to 43,000 call option and sell more quantity over there. Right now I have a lot of puts shorted, so that is giving me good profit already. I'm waiting for that to decay to zero. In the case that there is a fall, I have over 190 points over here and 62 points on 43,000 call option, two lots. So all in all, that is 190 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60, 310. 310, if that goes to zero, my profit on just the call side would be 7,700. So right now I am just watching. My safety zone is between 43,080 and 42,650. Also, just for your information and learning, when you read the RSI, okay, this was one joint, this was second joint, and I was waiting for this to break. That is where I shifted the stop losses onto cost for all the calls that I shorted, and all of them hit with this 1, 2, and 3 candles. All of them hit. What did I do after that? I waited for this RSI to touch top, and then I shorted more calls. And now see this decay, this one red candle over here, if you see this one red candle, okay, caused a lot of decay. Even if it's shooting back up, it's still not able to come back to cost. Now the time is 1:45, so now the decay will start on all the call sides unless there is a shoot up. So I have also again put my stop losses. I'm still holding the call shots, which is 42,800 and below, about 4 strikes. Let's see how this works out. Traders time is 1:54. Maruti, as you've seen, it came to my first target, very close to my first target, came down, and once it started leaving before the green crossed the red, I always tell you that it will shoot back up. Now again, green is coming back into positive above the red line, and this is looking to burst up. If this happens, yes, 8532 will be taken out easily. So we'll look to actually start trailing once this level crosses. ट्रेडर्स हंगामा हो गया यार. Look at this. 192 पे मैं शॉर्ट करा था over here somewhere, and 222 was my stop loss, and now it is more than 120, almost 120 points down. So yeah, profit has really shot up. Now the calls and the puts are fighting with each other because market has come down almost 150 points in BNF. So 42,846 अभी चल रहा है. If this floats till here, probably this can go to zero. Right now, I'll just take you to my position screen and see what is the opportunity at hand. Right, traders. Currently, my positions are 5,600 in profit, 42,000 call option, which I had shorted at 809, went up to 980 something. I was 5,000 plus, sorry, 5,000 negative in this, but now it's come down to 1,000 and it's still reducing as we speak. Now, Bank Nifty is slightly moving back up, so the puts will start losing value. The calls have already decayed quite a bit. So my safety zone right now is between 43,070 and 42,650. Right now market is at 42,875. Just another 1 hour, if it stays within this level, my expected profit is 11,900. So I'm trying to book 5 figures today. Let's see how this goes. Right, traders, this is for your educational purpose only, how I spot where to short and what to expect. So this was the RSI joining over here, and here was the RSI joining over here, but you'll actually look for it in a diagonal way, not a straight way. If you put it like this and this break comes, okay, this break came, but you would only see it as a break after this candle is formed. So if you follow that method, then you will be caught out with this pullback. Okay, why you have to take it in a diagonal way like this is because when this break happens, okay, this is going up, and now since there is a negative divergence at candles going up, RSI going down, you can short here, you can buy a put and wait. Now see this one move would have got you an awesome return. Almost 200 points drop, it would have got you an awesome return. Now this is live market I'm showing you. Okay, now if you see this, we don't see this joining, we'll see this joining. Okay, here now by the time this comes all zigzag within this range, everything will have decayed. So right now there is actually no angle where we can see a trend at. Okay, this is one line and this is another line. So if there is a rejection and a fall, it will happen within this bracket. If this range breaks, then yes, it will be a bloodbath. Or if it range breaks, it'll take a retest somewhere on the Fibonacci over here level and then shoot back up. Right now I'm not looking at anything. I have my options all sold and priced in, so I'm just waiting for a decay. Traders, Maruti has not at all gone to my first target. I've even kept a sell order over here. ये 4-5 रुपए जाने की कंजूसी इतनी कर रहा है. So anyway, I don't want to waste much time on this, so I'm going to book it right away. I'll show you the orders. Here we are. So I'm just going to first cancel the stop loss, right? And I'm going to sell this at market. We sold it at 8526. So we bought it at say 8512 and we sold it at 8526, which is a 14 point profit over here. Now after this, if it goes also, I don't care because I was tired of holding it for so long and it was just ranging up and down. Anyway, good trade on this Maruti. Now I'm just focusing on Bank Nifty. Time is 3:05 and look at this swing. What an ugly swing, man. 192 I shorted it. It came to 64, 65. I was waiting for it to go to zero. Then surprise, surprise, it comes 3x back up. Anyway, I left at cost and I shifted all my call shots to 43,000 call option, where I have 125 quantity shorted at 27. So looking to bank completely on that. Right now it's running at 16, waiting for it to go to zero. देखो यार, यही होता है मारुति. I left at 85.26 and now it is at 85.40. और 14 पॉइंट का मेरे को प्रॉफिट मिलता था, but it's okay यार, it's done and dusted. I'm done with this. So I just want to show you that this is how it works. You know, अगर 2-3 मिनट और रुक जाता and now it's firing. Traders, ये देखो मारुति ने गया अपना फुल टारगेट को. Anyway, चलता है. I made good profits on the Bank Nifty shorts. What actually took me by surprise is this continuous up move over here. तो काफ़ी मुझे बैटलिंग करनी पड़ी. 43,000 कॉल ऑप्शंस मैंने शॉर्ट किया. दिस केम डाउन एंड आई शिफ्टेड स्टॉप लॉस एंड they got triggered and I made my money over there. So I'm not going to trade anymore. Anyway, it's 322 तो अभी ट्रेड करने का कुछ मायने नहीं रखता. But ये देखो यार, ये धोखा है यार. This is pure play with emotions. Anyway, as I said, you know, when it goes down before the green crosses red, it swings back up and then it maintained over here and then it broke out. यहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम मेरा पेशेंस टेस्ट करा एंड आई वाज बिजी लुकिंग एट द बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस ट्रेड्स. ये शूट अप हुआ यार. दिस वुड हैव बीन अ गुड प्रॉफिट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. लेट्स लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी नाउ. अभी बैंक निफ्टी का क्या हो रहा है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ये it came down here. This was a beautiful level यार. यहाँ से जो shoot up हुआ continuous, you can see 42,800 से लेके 43,000, and this took a lot of my call profits. I didn't mind because I had put my stop loss at cost. Anyway, today's profits, I'll just go to it now. Traders, market is closed. Today we made a good, decent profit of 5,500. Didn't cover yesterday's loss, but today the reason why I lost out mainly is two things. One is the calls that were shorted were giving a beautiful profit over here, and my total profit was above 10,000. And with this rally, it hit all the stop losses at cost, and that reduced the uh, profit. Okay, I held all my put trades and instead actually moved them up to get more premium, so that also decayed very well. What happened at 320 over here at this candle? Okay, this doji that you see. Okay, what happened over here is I had shorted 43,000 calls with 150 quantity, and they were trading at 30. Right, so my expected profit over here was 4,500 if this went to zero. Now 320 came. When you are on intraday MIS, the broker will actually square you off automatically and also charge you for it. So I didn't want to wait for that, and I saw that it is probably looking to be stable over here somewhere above 43,000. What if there was another spike? So I didn't want to risk it, and I squared them off at 14. So then eventually it went to zero. So 14 points into 150 was a potential 2,100 profit more. So all in all, I ended with 5,500. Not a bad profit for today. Given the volatility, the moves, the spikes, it was incredible to watch today. So I hope this video was very entertaining for you in terms of the trades that I had to take, and the learnings also that I gave on the Bollinger as well as the RSI reading. So I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.